you want to get a coffee for your journey?
Oh, why not?
Let's go to Mackie's and buy you a coffee. You're racing against time, deal. 8 minutes. Is that your train? Run! Do you want to get a coffee for your journey?
Oh, why not?
Let's go to Mackie's and buy you a coffee.
Mate, my 12-minute train journey. And I'm not back to
52, 42, and 18, 15 minutes, easy. Hi, Richard here. Sorry to interrupt the video, but we have to tell you we have teamed up with this brilliant insurance company called MyFirst, specialist in young driver insurance. Give them a call. You see the number there. The website address is down there. This will give you an exclusive £50 discount. You talk to real people. They're just a great company to deal with. Good. Ah, my bush.
What are you doing?
I thought you were going to scratch my car. You have to. Yeah, you've stalled. Okay, we're coasting into. Okay, the engine's not working.
Wait, what do I do now?
Restart the engine. How to suggest. Clutch down. He's stalled. It's a good start.
Is this going to say a lot about this drive-thru experience? And I've just flung it for me. Right, which one do we go in?
Any one you want to. Hope you feel more comfortable in it.
Quickly get out of here.
Okay.
Okay.
Now remember what the clutch does when you stop.
Is this...
Clutch down. Right, get yourself a coffee.
How do...
You drop the window.
What do you want?
Can't do anything. I'll do something later.
Oh,
I'll still on the go. It's just for you, this is.
Oh, thank you.
I know. Sometime. Have you gone on strike?
Hello?
Anyone? Anybody in there? Should we just drive through and ignore them so you're too
Wait,
late?
did they see my stall and now they're not talking to me?
Yeah, it is. They think they don't want to serve you. They're rolling around laughing like that on their stomachs like that. Everyone's in there on their backs. Hang on a minute. Meal deal plus?
Hello, welcome to McDonald's using the app today.
No. Are we using
No,
the
what
app?
again?
Could I please just get a caramel iced latte, please?
And what?
Yeah, no worries. So everything.
Is that everything?
Yes, it is.
That's everything, thank
Excellent,
you.
thank you.
$3.50?
What?
You're not a cheap date, are you? No, I've been mugged.
Oh,
You've
sorry.
mugged me.
Oh, sorry, Richard. Oh.
You moved off in third gear now.
Nah, get me out of here. Get me out of here.
$3.50? Holy boly moly.
Cost of living.
Cost of living? Cost of you? Oh, yeah, no, wait, back there. Oh, yeah.
Sorry, Richard. I mugged you off.
I've been mugged.
Thank you, Richard. You too.
Yes, I do want the receipt.
Oh, did you not even ask that?
No, you shouldn't get the receipt,
Oh,
yeah.
do you not?
Okay.
Oh.
This is seamless. This is like textbook. How to do a drive-thru with Amelia.
No, but I did my first one with KFC and that went awful because the lady wasn't understanding what I was saying. Like, I've never had a positive experience.
Why do you not understand what you're saying?
No, I kept yelling down, small popcorn chicken, and she was like, popcorn chicken. And I was like, popcorn chicken small.
Oh, right.
So I yelled at KFC, but I wouldn't yell at McDonald's.
I wouldn't know, because they're all at Robert Smythe. We know them all.
Yeah,
It's like the Robert Smythe common room here, isn't it?
The opposite of it, Richard.
You're racing against time, deal. 8 minutes. You get a straw as well.
Thank you.
Bougie.
Yay.
Is that bag all for us? How big's your coffee?
I don't know.
Oh, no.
I don't know. Oh, no, I sit back on the train.
Oh, there you go. Oh, bougie.
Oh, yeah, Richard.
I can see
Thank
that's $3.50
you.
now. Got the receipt as well, please.
Can we have the receipt, please?
Yeah, put it there.
Are we gonna make? We're gonna make it.
When I was in Egypt, I
Yeah.
brought back a load of plastic straws. These things are shit.
I know, literally.
I've got bags of them, all inclusive.
No, but that's valid. Though.
All inclusive. I've got hands of them.
Was Egypt nice?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Would you go again?
Not at the moment. Where's my receipt?
Literally. Hello.
There it is. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Off we go. Check it out.
Never again. Never again.
That's £3.50's worth.
Yeah, I know.
What's it made from? Yak's milk or something?
God knows, Richard. Thank you, Richard.
Pleasure. Always a pleasure. Never a chore. Off to the station.
Hopefully
Is there
no
a better
delays.
gear? You can use the fourth gear at 60. Yes, can we go,
yeah,
can we go
yeah,
to 6th gear? 6th gear's the right gear. Thank you.
Yep. I was gonna do it.
Yeah.
Just
Maybe it's time for a gear change, not time for a gear change.
hoping the examiner's going to have banter.
Oh yeah, we'll bounce back.
I am good at banter.
They'll watch our videos, you know, these things.
Oh, love.
Third gear. Keep braking for the gear.
5 years at uni for me. I'm not doing that.
Clutch, you sure you got to third? Okay.
Yeah.
You sure? Okay, let's find out then.
What do you mean?
That's fifth gear.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, bugger.
Where's your right signal? Round there. Looking left.
Oh,
Signal left.
Richard, is it too much now?
Or is it not fifth gear? I don't know. No, you're right.
No, I think we would definitely heard it.
Yeah, it would have been.
Yeah, it would have been like.
Yeah, right. Okay, I'll let you off then.
Yeah.
Not let you off. That's wrong. I stand corrected. Amelia, you're telling me my job. That's good. That means
Well, yeah.
someone's ready for test.
I'm telling you, yeah.
Exactly. That means someone is ready for test. You don't need me because you're telling me off. I've got something slightly wrong there. I thought it was fifth. It was
You've
third.
made a mistake now, Richard.
I made a mistake.
Yeah.
There you go.
But you've learnt from it.
I've learned.
Let's be positive.
I've learned from today. I certainly have. Not by your bloody your golfing. Left hand side. I know not that much. Which gear are you on this time? Yeah, okay, good. Well, look, perfect timing for the station as well.
Perfect timing.
Hey, I'm amazing.
My train.
Sometimes
Thanks for not being delayed, though.
Sometimes I'm like, wow myself how brilliant I am.
It's alright. You got here safely.
Yeah, it's like for another week. I survived another week.
Ah! You're so mean. You're just jealous.
You know I'm joking.
You're jealous
You
of
know
my
I'm joking.
driving, that's why.
You've done really well.
Thank you.
Great effort.
Thank you. Now I need to secure the car, obviously.
Yeah. I think you should go to Kettering next week.
Do you think?
Yeah. When are you going to do a mock test?
I've done a few with Rebecca.
Have you?
Failed each one. No, it's okay.
Okay.
And they're all serious faults. But no, it's fine.
Okay.
But you'll just have to be ready for that. Because when she says the word test,
The T word.
I don't like
Absolutely.
that word.
Okay.
So I think we should change it to
Assessment.
mock
Observation. No, we're going
mock
to
practice.
No, we're having a mock confirmation that you can drive. I've never met you before. Confirm to me that you've come here at the right time.
Yeah.
Have you come here at the right time to get your license? Yes, at your train.
No, that looks like it's going really quickly.
You sure? I mean, that's your train.
Shit.
That's your train. Shit, it's stopping. Go. Shit. It's all right. Oh no. Quick, where's your bag?
Where's my straw, Richard?
Oh, is that your straw?
I have my phone and my lanyards in the front. Shit.
Oh, no, it's all right.
Is it?
I don't know. We'll find out.
Bye, Richard.
Bye. That was slowing. Run. 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 Oh dear. I don't sit this side, do I?
Thank you very much for watching.
So do remember, please like and subscribe and press notify.